Today we're going to be looking at this TECWARE keyboard, which has probably got all the features you'll need. It's got RGB, 3 different ways of connecting up. You can do Bluetooth, wireless, or even a cable. And on top of that, it's got a removable shroud. So the shroud just pops off like that, so you can make it look however you want. The Phantom Plus Elite is a high-quality mechanical keyboard that comes in white or black. It's designed for an enhanced typing and gaming experience. It features a detachable USB Type-C coiled cable and is pre-installed with TECWARE Wraith switches. The keyboard includes double-shot PBT keycaps and V3 stabilizers for a smooth typing experience. It supports universal hot swap with 5-pin switch sockets, allowing for easy switch changes. The keyboard offers wireless, Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz via a dongle and wired connectivity options, and boasts a carbon steel plate with an ABS case for durability. It's also equipped with sound dampening foam and fillers to minimise noise, and its RGB illumination provides 16.8 million colour options with 18 preset lighting modes. The keyboard's packaging is visually striking and informative. The white image of the keyboard contrasts sharply against the black background on the front, immediately drawing attention. The front also efficiently displays key information like RGB, switch type and main features. On the back there's a detailed feature list and switch options, along with a QR code that links to a general manual page. The packaging is efficient in both design and functionality, providing all necessary information at a glance. Inside the box, the keyboard is securely wrapped in a foam bag, flanked by 2 foam protectors for added safety. The packaging includes a multimedia guide for quick shortcuts. While there's no printed manual, a QR code is on the box as stated before. The box also contains a keycap and switch remover tool, 4 spare switches, and a durable braided USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable with a coiled end. The box also contains a keycap and switch removal tool, 4 spare switches, and a durable braided USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable with a coiled end, which will extend up to around 3 meters. Additionally, a 2.4 GHz wireless dongle is provided for wireless connectivity. The keyboard offers 3 connectivity modes. Firstly, it can be connected via the included USB cable, serving as a traditional wired keyboard or for charging in wireless mode. Secondly, wireless connectivity is possible through the provided 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi adapter, which plugs into a PC or laptop. Thirdly, the keyboard supports Bluetooth connections with up to 3 devices. You can switch between these Bluetooth devices using the function and 1 to 3 key and the function and number 4 key to change to the Wi-Fi mode. Additionally, a switch on the back of the keyboard allows easy toggling between Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, as well as cable and off. The keyboard includes a removable shroud, allowing users to choose between a clothed or naked aesthetic for the keyboard. The bottom features 4 anti-slip feet for stability. There's also 2 one-step tilt feet with anti-slip pads for adjusting the angle of the keyboard. However, there is no designated storage space for that 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi dongle. The rear of the keyboard hosts the USB Type-C connection port and a switch to toggle between wireless modes, cabled or off. The keyboard's keycaps and switches are easily removable. The keycaps are double shot and double walled, enhancing their durability. They also allow RGB lighting to shine through the lettering. Switches are subject to personal preference, and the keyboard offers several preset options at purchase. Additionally, users can replace the switches with other types if desired. The included switches are pre-lubed for smoother operation. The noise level of the keyboard varies depending on chosen switches. However, a notable feature is the clear keystrokes without the common ping or echoes often heard inside the keyboard. This reduction in noise is likely due to the internal sound dampening layer. The keyboard's RGB lighting is effective, especially for a wireless model. It's easily visible in daylight or brightly lit rooms and looks impressive in the dark. There are several preset lighting options accessible directly on the keyboard. Additionally, customization is available through the TECWARE software, which also allows for creating macros, setting up profiles, and enabling a game mode that can disable specific keys. Okay, so we're going to do a sound test. This is the microphone. It's 20 centimeters away from the top rows of keys, but it is further away from me than normal, so my voice might sound a little bit different. We've got a traditional keyboard, what most people would have used in a home or an office, a non-mechanical keyboard, just to give you a comparison. So this is what the non-mechanical keyboard sounds like. Okay, over to this keyboard now. So let's start off with the number keys. Enter. Space. Left shift. Tab. And a full sentence. So in conclusion, the keyboard impresses with its versatile connectivity options including USB, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities. Its thoughtful design features a removable frame for a customizable look, and the bottom is equipped with anti-slip feet and tilt options, although it lacks storage for the Wi-Fi dongle. The easily removable, durable double-shot keycaps and pre-lubed switches offer a satisfying typing experience. Notably, the keyboard maintains a clean low noise level thanks to its internal sound dampening layer. The RGB lighting is a standout feature, offering visibility in various lighting conditions and extensive customization through TECWARE's software. Finally, its sturdy build quality ensures the keyboard remains resilient and stable, making it a solid choice for both casual and intensive users.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.